I would urge any agency that's listening to this, right? I reframe the competition. What I mean by that is don't prepare for the meeting that's next on the calendar. Prepare for the one that's after that. Because if you prepare for the next meeting, let's say it's a first capabilities credentials meeting, right? Okay, the standard kind of is let's go in and let's tell the smoothest, slickest story we can. Every agency pretty much is going to go do the same thing. And you've left yourself in a position to just be compared doing the same thing, the same event, so to speak, against everybody else. Think ahead if the timeline for the review says after the capabilities meeting, we're going to want to hear your ideas. Go to the capabilities meeting, make sure you check the box minimally on what they want to hear, but tell them something about their business that they didn't know. Leap ahead to what you would anticipate the next meeting. Because what you've done is you've reframed the competition. You've probably leaped ahead of any number of other agencies, right? You're actually getting the clients interest in what they really want to know. Yeah, they kind of want to know about you, not really. They really want to know about their business and how you can help them. So get to the heart of the matter sooner and always think ahead. It was advice I got a long time ago, and I actually think it works really, really well. You may not always win, but everybody on this call, think about a moment where you lost a pitch and the feedback was, well, the winning agency, the agency we chose, they showed us something we hadn't seen, or they gave us something and nobody else, or they pushed it a little bit further. Sometimes that works. Sometimes just pushing ahead further than anybody else by timeline, not necessarily the amount of work you do, but by getting to something sooner is what makes a difference. The job in new business is to stand out above everybody else. I just think you have to look for every one of those advantages that you can get.